Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. In today's video, it's an IG challenge where we create a look about our favorite fairy. And my favorite is Tinkerbell. I love Tinkerbell very much. I want to look for two palettes. My Juvia's Place Culture and my Queendom palette. So I can create a Tinkerbell look. I even swatch colors to make sure I get the colors correct. I usually don't swatch colors before I do my makeup, but for this one, I want to get it like right. So these are the colors that I swatch as usual. I'm always doing it backwards. I always do it backwards. So let's see if I can show you. These are the colors that I pick for my Tinkerbell colors. But I won't be using all of them. I just wanted to make sure I had the right shades. If you're new here, my name is V. Welcome. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I have now reached 600 subscribers, and I want to say thank you to my old subscribers who's been with me all along, and to all the new ones, I want to say thank you also. Welcome, stay aboard, let's have fun. Talk with me in the comments and I will answer you back. I love you all very much. As usual, my makeup is fun and I like lots of colors, and I like to leave you uplifted, or at least in a better space than when I met you. So we will start. I have this Yasing primer that I got from my BoxyCharm on my face. This is my Tinkerbell. It's a pillowcase. I love Tinkerbell, so I have the pillowcase of Tinker. So Tinker has some green, red, purple. So this is what I'm gonna use to create my Tinkerbell. I love Tinkerbell. Eyes are prime, and the colors are in no particular order. I'm just laying colors down and having fun creating a colorful look with the colors of Tinkerbell. This look like they're all shimmers, so I'll be using my fingers to do the job. Before I finish with the eye look, I will read today's quote and then we'll continue with the eyes. Today's quote is by Ethel Barrymore, and it reads, "You must learn day by day, year by year, to broaden your horizons. The more things you love, the more you are interested in, the more you enjoy, the more you are indignant about, the more you have left when anything happens. This quote is by Ethel Barrymore and it reads, "You must learn day by day, year by year, to broaden your horizons. The more things you love, the more you are interested in. The more you enjoy, the more you are indignant about. The more you have left when anything happens." This is today's quote by Ethel Barrymore. Now we continue with the eyes. Here's the green headscarf to complete my Tinkerbell fairy look. This is it. This is my Tinkerbell eye fairy look. My fairy tale Tinkerbell look with the red lips and the colors of Tinker. I like this. And then I just add the scarf to complete my Tinkerbell look. This is my Tinkerbell. This color right here in Tinkerbell is in the inner corner of my eyes, the inner section of my eyes. The yellow hair for Tinker is right next to it. And then the green for Tinker's is next to the yellow. And then the purple, I put it in the outer corner. The red lips is this. So I am Tinker today. Tinkerbell, my fairy tale fairy I love so much. I appreciate all of you watching. It is a beautiful day. Go out and create something, or stay home and create something, do something that brings a little value and joy to your life. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and take your palettes out and have some fun and just enjoy, do whatever comes to mind and have fun. The new thing I use today is the Essence mascara. I love it. It is really nice. Take a look at my lashes. They are cute and sexy, just in time for Tinkerbell. I love Tinkerbell. Love Tinkerbell. So that's that. My red lipstick is by Black Radiance. My foundation is the Bare Minerals Pro. My finishing powder is the Charlotte Tilbury. Everything else I have used before. I love this little Tinkerbell look. It is sexy. It is beautiful. Thank you all again for watching. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying bye. See you soon in another video. And this is my fairy tale makeup look, Tinkerbell. In the comments below, tell me what you think. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying go have a fabulous, fantastic day. Bye.